What's up, YouTube? As you can see, the Unibody's in the shed now. Ooh, shnikes, there's the sun. Anyway, hopefully you like that kind of intro deal. Today, I'm not gonna worry about getting too much done on it. I'm gonna maybe try and get some of the stuff unplugged and marked where it goes, and maybe get the hood off. I don't know if I'll get that off myself or not, but I'm gonna see if I can do a, fast mo kind of deal, fast motion, time lapse kind of deal. Kind of let you guys watch me tear this thing apart.
Catching up after all this time. You know you had me, baby, in my prime. Your mama never liked me much. Sunday night in a pickup truck.
I'm back. After the little time lapse or whatever you want to call it. Sorry about my pen if it was bothering you. I noticed on these ones over here, they're not really nuts on the back side. They're like little clips with nuts on them or something like that. It's weird. So maybe I'll just have to ratchet them out because the impact was a little too strong. But these ones there, I hope you can see that. Those ones are all right. I think if I took them out with a zip gun. I see there's access holes here, so that's good. But yeah, I got the ends marked here for the headlight and the blinkers. Same with the other side here. I'm gonna work on getting maybe the grill out. Maybe I should have just tried to take the whole thing apart in one piece. I don't know. But we'll try it this way and see what the heck happens. Because it's pretty loose here. I noticed. Well, the radiator's kind of cooling off now. Maybe I can get a wrench or ratchet in there now and zip them out. These top three ones here. But yeah, coming together pretty good here, or coming apart, I guess you'd say.
Yeah, it was good to be young. Running down Highway 1. Whoa.
Okay, my phone's about to die, so I'm gonna quit recording. But as you can see, I got this top piece loose. I think might just have to get some new rubber or something to put in between the pieces, but there's one little bolt in here, that one right there. It's giving me some trouble, but other than that, I should be okay.
Well, my mama met my daddy down in Alabama.